To be guys, it's 8 o'clock. I don't know why I'm up so early. And I'm cold. So what's me guys? I'm back. Did he change his name? King Pixels? He changed his name. He changed his name, but he made it in the video. They made it in the video. Backrooms, autopsy report. Here we go.
This is why you want farmers claim forgiveness.
Oh, I'm cold.
We are farmers.
Farmers, bum 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 bum. John Doe autopsy. Oh my god. John Doe autopsy report 2590. So February 5th to 19 or something or in the 90s. Oh, I'm so cold. I'm cold. I'll be right back. Look how unprofessional I am. I don't even have my camera on. That's how unprofessional I am. When reacting to stuff, I don't turn on my camera for no reason. I don't think that's my first, reaction. Like, oh, turn on your camera. No. It just play the video and react to it. Okay. Here we go. This is 2 minutes. But yeah, here we go. Okay.
Subject is male, somewhere between 18 and 21 years old.
Okay.
I estimate that the time of death was around 5 days ago, but due to the severe tissue damage, it's hard to say for sure.
Oh, damn. That's the guy. Is he gonna come to life?
Cause of death was likely malnutrition. I was able to recover most of the digestive tract. So, as things start to deviate from what we would consider to be natural, the decomposition process appears to have been stunted somehow. It's like portions of the body stopped decaying and were sustained. Other areas, however, were completely
Okay, so
overtaken by
they're
culture.
examining his body parts, and some of them
I took
stopped corrupting.
samples of some of the material. At first, I thought it was
Oh, what is that?
a collection of Pseudomonas fluorescens.
Oh,
but,
can I turn on the captions?
it
Yes, I
seems to
can.
be
I can't understand
closer to
very
a
well.
mutated strain of simple
Let
Bacillus,
me like.
which
Oh.
should be completely benign, but well, really, I don't know
That's
what to make
art.
of this. Mr. Beck, may I ask where this subject came from?
Oh. Oh, the TV. Async. Baby. Guy. I know the TV is saying something, but I can't understand it. What did that say? I'm not mad hack. What did that say? And to that point, the sentiment, all serious engagement in this environment was never reunited. I think for mankind to maintain delusion would be to consider it. I don't know, but I can make some of those words out. Okay, that's it. Okay. Let's continue watching. That's it.
When we agreed to be roommates, we said no
That's it.
romantic.
That's it. I think that's it. Hold on. Yeah, that's it. Now he did this. Okay, not affiliated with my channel, but still really neat. Async 1989 explainer video. Async. Let's see what this is about. Hopefully my mic doesn't cut out in and out. Cut out in and out. 1989. It's like 8:25. I don't know why I'm so late. It's literally my brother just went to school. That's how early I am. That's where the back rooms are. Oh, maze. So this is not affiliated with backrooms. What does that mean? A two-faced line. Okay, well that was cool. Thank you guys for watching this video. I might react to these videos, but wait like another day until they post another one, so I could do a 2-in-1, or I could, leave a, I don't know, maybe suggest what I should do. React to 2 in one day, like wait until they post something and then wait a couple of days until they post the other thing, or just react to it back. I'm gonna leave a like. That was the wrong thing. Hold on, I keep forgetting to leave stuff likes that I like. Here we go. Just gonna boop.
Subject is male, somewhere between 18 and...
But yeah, this is cool. So thank you for watching this video. This last part I didn't get, but thank you guys for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace, everybody. Goodbye. Minecraft video coming out today at 2. I'm gonna record it at. Hold on. I'm gonna record the video at 2, and it might come out maybe 3 or 4 o'clock my time, Eastern. But yeah, peace out.